Assuming the minor issue is struck down, what do you think the options are going to be for the people that have already received a consulate or commune rejection due to the minor issue?
The rulings of the United Section of the Supreme Court are, they say, 99% binding for the judicial system. This means that all the judges here in Italy, most of times they follow what the United Section of the Supreme Court say. This does not necessarily apply when to the administrative work. Even if we win before the United Section of the Supreme Court, that the Ministry of Internal Affairs does not necessarily change its approach. The consulates that do not necessarily change their approach. I mean, that circular of October will not necessarily be revoked. We know in the past that, for instance, when the United Section in 2009 they faced the so-called 1948 cases, saying that people descendants of female citizens are allowed to be considered Italian citizens, then the ministry never somehow applied that ruling of the United Section. We know at the same time that 3 years ago, in 2022, the ruling of the United Section of the Supreme Court on the so-called Brazilian Great Naturalization was actually followed by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So, in any case, even after the United Section, it is possible that people which were affected by the circolare of October shall be obliged to go to the court and claim for their rights before the court. I hope, of course, that this will not occur, but of course, it is a possible scenario.
We don't know what's going to happen with them. They may have to go to court anyways to fight for their right. But in that situation, the court, following the United Sections ruling, would almost certainly rule in their favor, assuming their documents are in order and all other criteria are met.
Exactly, Dominic. Exactly.